Yeah, there is a very big solution to get a foreign speaking partner, and you can get it online. There is an application called blah blah in. Blah blah in. Then if you register there and if you use this application, then you will get some partners. This is a great opportunity for the new learners, especially who are interested in speaking English. If you practice every day, every time, every second, there are some partners who are interested, and from different parts of the country, from different parts of the world, you can get some partners. And if you practice speaking with them, real time speaking, many partners you will get outside of your country, and that will help you a lot. You see, this is blah blah in. Now there, in this way, I am searching partner, and in this way you will get some partners and you will get the opportunity to speak with others. And please note that I didn't get any benefit from this application authority, but why I use this, because I'm getting a real type partner to speak with the foreign people from different parts of the world participate here, different age, and you have the opportunity to share your ideas, share about your culture, and many more things. So if you are interested, then please you can use this application or this app for your better development of speaking. Thank you very much.